Physical asset ko, siguro yung mata.
Sometimes makeup. Some people say I have nice eyes.
Siguro ligo. So I guess the one good physical asset that I find about that I think is good about myself is yung freckles ko kasi not a lot of people have freckles.
It's see my hair, very smooth siya.
What makes me beautiful are my legs, cause they look muscular now.
Siguro yung nakaka-attract sa akin yung mata.
Siguro sa katayuan ko, tindig ko, tapos siyang dimple.
Yung physical ko, I hate my eyes kasi sobrang malabo. Kahit na sinasabi nila 300 plus lang gano'n, pero ang labo talaga, hindi ko siya makita malayo.
That I really don't like about my I think it's yung teeth ko. I could do with a little dental every now and again.
Sa physical, yung ngipin ko medyo na insecure ako, ngiti. Tapos, hindi kasi ako tinto sa tangkad.
Na-insecure ako pag lumalaki yung chat ko.
Siguro yung sa kulay na lang. Ang sa kulay ko, siguro masyado akong yung kulay ko black masyado.
Hindi ko gusto sa face ko, totally yung ilong ko. Yun lang. Kasi, malaki.
Insecurities. Stomach. That's pretty much it. I don't really mind anything else.
Isang tamad. Tamaran.
Kuripot ako, pero hindi naman ako kuripot.
Minsan, medyo selfish daw. Tapos, yun, mahiyain.
Ayaw nila sa akin yung pag-iisip natin.
Siguro yung ayaw ko sa akin is, kunyari, may galit ako sa school, natadala ko sa family.
Yung pagiging matampulin ko.
Mainit ng ulo pag sobrang busy.
Well, it's true that sometimes I do act a little bit like a brat, a very selfish person, but that's only sometimes.
I feel na yung pagka-snub ko minsan, like, I don't do it on purpose, pero I'm just naturally quiet, so people think na nagiging snub ako.
Siguro mabait, yun lang.
Ang positive sa akin, porket na maaga ko nito, hindi rin mawawala na gusto ko pa rin makapag-aaral. Kaya nagtatrabaho ako para makapag-aaral ulit ako.
What I think makes me beautiful on the inside is, I think I'm generally humble and I don't really like being very arrogant to other people.
Humble naman ako. Humble ako talaga sobra. Lalo sa mga taong mabait sa akin.
Unang-una, matulungin. Masipag.
Friendly.
So, I think I would consider myself to be very open and it's something that people really like about me. That's what I think.
One's character is important because it's these things that make up a person's likability in a society. It is also part of an individual's personal growth, especially in self-esteem. Remember, a beautiful character speaks more than a beautiful face does. Thus the saying, beauty is skin deep. So what about you? What makes you beautiful?